Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. Do you ever struggle to find the perfect vitamin C for your skincare routine? You want to fade hyperpigmentation, boost collagen and elastin production, and get your glow game on point. But there's just so much choice when it comes to vitamin C serums, it becomes a bit overwhelming. That's definitely how I felt over the past couple of years, and I've tried so many different vitamin C serums. Now, I was having a bit of a clear out the other day, looking at those vitamin C serums that might have expired and no longer good, the ones that are still in date but didn't work for me that I'm going to gift away, and of course my holy grails. I was looking at the plethora of different vitamin Cs I had, and I thought, before I throw out and recycle any of these, let me sit down and film with you my honest thoughts, feelings, opinions on every one that I've tried. Hopefully this will help you to find the perfect pairing when it comes to vitamin Cs. So sit back, relax, and together let's discover the best vitamin C serums. Now, before we get into this video, I would love to do a cheeky little poll of the Mad About Skin community and viewership. What's your take on vitamin C? I would assume most people would have a vitamin C serum somewhere in their skincare routine, and if that's you, let me know by leaving either the orange or the lemon emoji in the comments section below. To me, oranges and lemons, they symbolise vitamin C. Now, if you're someone that doesn't have a vitamin C serum, don't worry, there is zero judgment here, but I'd love to know why. Have you just not found the right one? Does it not work as an ingredient for your skin type? Again, let me know in the comments section below so we can kind of all share our thoughts, feelings and opinions. Here on Mad About Skin, any products that I talk about are completely sponsorship free. I don't do sponsorships or paid partnerships because I feel it helps me to retain my independence. So if you want to support me as a sponsorship free content creator, the best way of doing it is by reaching down and giving this video a big thumbs up and a like. This really does support me so much, so from the bottom of my heart, love to each and every one of you. Now, without further ado, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So I'm going to keep this chatty and free-flowing. We've got a lot of product to mention today. We've got some fails, we've got some mediocre, and we've got some holy grails. All of the products, irrespective of my thoughts, are going to be linked in the description box below if you did want to check them out. And I'm going to start with a body care product. This is the Q&A Vitamin C Body Cream. Now, I'm going to call this a product. It's not terrible, but also I didn't get maybe the amazing results I was expecting. So this is actually a new one. The old one I finished up and I recycled, so I did repurchase it, which is usually a good sign when it comes to a product. I love this because it's a really rich, creamy moisturizer, great for the body. But I was kind of expecting a vitamin C body cream to boost the radiance, fade the hyperpigmentation, and it does some at the margins, but maybe not as effectively as, say, a serum. It's cheap. It's cruelty-free, as are all the products mentioned today, and it's super drugstore. So I love all of that, and I think for the body, where we're covering a large surface area, we don't necessarily want to use a bougie serum. I think this is a great option. I would just say set your expectations right. It takes a long time to see the results with this, but if you already have a body moisturizer, then just swap that out for this one and know you're getting a little extra dose of vitamin C. It's really nice, and I love Q&A as a brand. I think for 250ml, I paid £9. Very affordable, which I love. So again, you're covering a large surface area on the body. This is a great affordable way of doing it. For the face specifically, there are two products. Cleanser, and this is the moisturizer. So this is the Face Theory Vitamin C Cream Cleanser. I love this, but I use it alongside my vitamin C serums. So I would say if you're somebody that wants the very best results from vitamin C, you're going to need it in a leave-on treatment, a serum usually. Cleansers, vitamin C cleansers, work at the margins, but I feel work best used alongside another serum. So this for me is something I'm going to repurchase and I'm going to keep using, but I'm going to do so to kind of boost the overall effectiveness of the vitamin C serums that I already use, rather than being in replace of them. Hopefully that makes sense, but I think that's the best way of getting the best results and some extra marginal gains when it comes to your vitamin C. So creamy, so luxurious, definitely boosts the radiance and luminosity, and I always buy it in this small size because it's great to travel with. On holiday, this is an absolute dream. So yeah, love it. But I'd say use any vitamin C cleanser. That's probably the best of the best in terms of vitamin C cleansers, but use anyone alongside your serums, not in place of. And finally, this is the Boots Vitamin C Brightening Moisturiser. Now, I got this because allegedly this is the moisturiser that Kate Middleton uses. I don't know how they would know that. I have no idea how anyone would know that. But I read that in a magazine and I'm really gullible and I bought into that. I was like, well, if it's good enough for a Duchess, as she was at the time, it's good enough for me. And I bought it and I loved it. I still don't believe she uses it. But if she does, she's onto a winner. And it's really frugal in terms of the price point. So we love that. This smells divine. It's the right amount of fragrance. So it's not overwhelmingly citrusy, but it has a nice little orange vibe to it. I personally really love it. And I think it's a great vitamin C moisturiser. I still think you're going to get better results with a vitamin C serum, but if you don't want to go for a serum or you want to shop on a budget, because this is £3, then I think this is a great vitamin C option. I'd also say as well, there's a lot of talk in skincare at the moment about age-appropriate skincare. So you have a lot of teens, people in, you know, their early teens or late teens, reaching for super high potency, usually drunk elephant products, overpaying and trashing the skin. We don't like that. All skincare should be skin type and age specific. I would say if there's a teenager in your life who, or you're a teen viewer yourself, that has a little bit of hyperpigmentation linked to acne, which often, you know, is an issue, I know, in your teens, this is a great option. Gentle enough that it won't damage your skin barrier, but effective enough that it will help fade any acne marks. And it's affordable. So like I say, if you're a teen viewer, want a vitamin C to start with, or there's a teen in your life that's talking about using potent actives, but you want to rein them in a little bit, this is a great place to start. Super inexpensive, works really well. Yeah, I love that. Absolutely love that one. I think it's great for everyone. Now, I'm going to come on to some mediocre vitamin C's. Products that worked okay, but I wouldn't say I'm blown away. So first up is this. This is the NIOD ethylated ascorbic acid network. Now, this is the strongest vitamin C you will find on the skincare market, bar none. This is like sky high potency. And believe you me, you get sky high results. All sounding great, but oh, the irritation. The irritation was so, I can feel it. Now, I haven't even got this product on and I can feel that irritation. I'm getting flashbacks to it. It was particularly irritating on the skin. Now, this is a stabilized form of vitamin C, so it'll last a lot longer than some of the other products. So that's a big plus. If you want immediate results and you don't want to wait to fade that hyperpigmentation and get your glow game on point, then reach for the NIOD ethylated ascorbic acid network. Like I say, I've linked it in the comments, in the description box, but it comes with a huge disclaimer. You will get irritation, you will get sensitivity. Now, some people might think it's worth fighting through that in order to get the results, and I don't disagree. I just think for me, it was a bit much. So yes, 10 out of 10 for results, but 5 out of 10 for the potency. And I would say best for people that have really resilient skin. If you've got sensitive skin, avoid this at all costs. Similarly, using ethylated ascorbic acid, which is a slightly modified version of ascorbic acid to keep it stable. This is the ordinary ethylated ascorbic acid 15% solution. Great product, which is half the strength of that NIOD one, so a lot less sensitizing. Still gives you great results. You still get a long-term... Oh, sorry, I've got a cat hair. I feel like whenever I record one of these videos without, like, you know, a bit more chatty and free-flowing, I'm always plagued by cat hairs. Sorry about that. This one I love. I prefer this one to the NIOD one because I think it's more suitable for everyone, less likely to sensitize. But I still didn't get the really quick results maybe I was expecting from a 15%. I think I would rather buy a fresh pure form vitamin C than rely on ethylated ascorbic acid, which lasts longer, but I don't think you get quite the potency. But you see how this goes on? It feels really nice on the skin and goes in. You get a gentle warming of the skin, which is normal with vitamin C's, but it still is slightly greasy, just slightly greasy. It's fine. I would say if you're the sort of person that doesn't use your vitamin C's before they oxidize and they turn that vivid yellowy orange color, then invest in this because it'll last a lot longer. You'll continue to be able to use it. If for everyone else that does get through their vitamin C's, stick to the pure form ascorbic acid. I think you'll just get better results. Finally, I'm going to talk this is in the top tier of average. This is the V-Green Vitamin C Ampule. Now, I love this because it has vitamin C and Centella Asiatica together in one product. Those two work really well because they actually quadruple the amount of extra collagen versus just using vitamin C alone. So if you want extra collagen in your life, use centella and vitamin C together. I really, really love this one. I think it's formulated to perfection and it delivers. The only caveat that's topping this being top tier is it does oxidize quite quickly. So again, if you're the sort of person that will get through a vitamin C in like 6 weeks, this is it. If you don't and you know that you're not going to get through a product quick enough to use it before it oxidizes, this might not be for you. And you might be better using one of the other vitamin C's and just putting a centella alongside it. Great for convenience, that 2-in-1. But I do think if they could just do something with the formulation a little bit, just to extend its lifespan, I think we'd all be grateful. And that would then become definitely top tier, but I do love it. So we've got 4 products that I am declaring to be ding, 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 holy grails. These are the ones that are going to be with me in my collection going forward. And I have stuck, in case you're thinking, oh, I'm missing out on a couple of products, I've stuck strictly to vitamin C serums. There are a lot of other serums I use that have vitamin C within them. These are just the pure like vitamin C category serums. So starting out with the 2 that I use interchangeably every single day. These 2. So this is the Sea Glow by Geek and Gorgeous. Stunning. Just stunning is the one word that I would use for that. And this is the Allies of Skin 20% vitamin C brightening and firming serum. So these 2, amazing, and they serve different purposes. So the Sea Glow by Geek and Gorgeous, all round perfect. Love the price point, love the formulation. You get some additional antioxidants in here, so it's great to protect the skin, and I think this is super budget friendly. This will last you like 3 months before it starts to oxidize because they make it fresh every week. So providing you get through the product in 3 months, which most of us will, you'll have no problems with this. So this is what I'm saying. I think this product, 15% ascorbic acid made fresh, is better than the ordinary 15% ethylated ascorbic acid. So yes, it won't last as long, but as long as you're using it within that 3-month period, I really don't think you need to stress or worry about it. And this is just the best budget-friendly all-rounder. The reason I use the Allies of Skin interchangeably with this formulation is the quickest acting when it comes to brightening and fading hyperpigmentation. I was wowed when I used this. Now, it does come with a higher price point, so I'm going to call it out, but I have got a discount code which gets 20% off, which I think makes it more manageable in terms of that price point, and I'll leave that discount code in the description box below. This is the quickest acting vitamin C you will find. It's beautiful. I'd say it's on a par with that NIOD ethylated ascorbic acid network, but with so much less sensitivity. So this for me is just the perfect blend of ingredients to maximize results, minimize irritation. You've got glutathione, which works perfectly alongside that vitamin C to brighten the skin, fade hyperpigmentation. You've got a plethora of different calming and soothing ingredients. You've got 3 antioxidants in here to, again, boost the protection level. And that 20%, I think, is the sweet spot with vitamin C, where you get the maximum results, but the minimum risk of side effects. So 20%, it's perfect. Now, it's in a dimethicone base, which I love. It's hydrating, it slides on the skin, it acts a bit like a primer. You just guaranteed a good skin day after using this. And that'll work for most skin types. And again, that dimethicone base reduces the risk of irritation. I absolutely love it. If budget was no option and no issue, I would probably use this day in, day out, no questions asked. I use it interchangeably with the Sea Glow to just bring the overall cost down. But I would say, if you can afford to push the boat out to go for the Allies of Skin, you will never look back. If you can't, know that the Sea Glow, thanks to Geek and Gorgeous, we have a really affordable option that's going to deliver us game-changing results. These 2 are great. Whether you do it like me, use them interchangeably, or pick one or the other, it's up to you, but definitely the star performers. And I've got 2 other products that I'm going to talk about now that are what I would say slightly more niche vitamin C's, but definitely have their place. So this is the PSA Light Up Mask. One of my favourites. I bang on about this on the channel all the time. Again, that 20% discount code, because this is a sister brand to Allies of Skin, that 20% discount code also works with this. So I think if you use a discount code, this is about £30, £35, something like that. And this is actually a vitamin C mask. It's like a flash facial, I would call it. So you leave this on for 10 minutes, you rinse it off, and you are glowing to the gods. Instant radiance boost. You've got that beautiful blend of vitamin C and other great actives in here to just brighten. It'll lift that hyperpigmentation, and I use this when I need that glow boost. If I'm filming a video that I, want to feel extra glowy in, or maybe I'm going to an event, I'm going to have my photo taken, or whatever reason, I want that confidence boost. I want that instant glow up. I would recommend everyone out there has this in their skincare collection for those days that you need it. 10 minutes on the skin, rinse it off, and you will be radiating. People have to walk around with dark shades on because you are glowing so much, you're blinding them. I absolutely love this just for that purpose. Do I use it every day? No. I kind of say I use it every week. I just use it when I need it. And because of the formulation, it lasts forever. I absolutely love it. And then I'm ending on a product. This is a new product. This is the Dr. Sam Flawless Vitamin C NAD Serum. This is a vitamin C derivative serum. Now, all the products I've mentioned so far are pure form vitamin C's or versions of ascorbic, L-ascorbic, or ethylated ascorbic acid. Vitamin C derivatives are great for those of us that have sensitive skin. Vitamin C derivatives convert into ascorbic acid within the skin, so you don't get that instant hit. Much more gentle, but they are proven to actually deliver results in the long term. There are lots of different ones out there, and you have to choose the best, I think, to get the best results. So what Dr. Sam has done in this product is combine two of the best market-leading vitamin C derivatives in a sky-high concentration and used it alongside other things such as ectoin. You've got NAD in here, all things which are going to energize the skin, reduce irritation, supercharge the skin, and just help you achieve that lit from within glow. I absolutely love this. And so I would say if you're someone that has a very sensitive skin type, you can't tolerate ascorbic acid or L-ascorbic acid, that's okay. You don't need to miss out. Reach for this. Even for those of us that maybe just want to experiment with vitamin C derivatives, this is great. I think you will be so impressed. It comes with a really nice pump. So for those of you, I know a lot of people are fans of pump applications out there. You'll love this one. And I think that combination of the NAD to energize the skin with the two best performing vitamin C derivatives, touch of ectoin in there to help with anti-aging, minimize any irritation. And you've got yourself a pretty decent serum here, I'm not gonna lie. This is a great option. You can also, if you're feeling extra bougie, you can use this on an evening, which pairs really well alongside your retinoids, no issue at all, whereas you wouldn't want to use a pure form vitamin C there. And you use your pure form vitamin C on a morning. So you're getting double dose of vitamin C, twice the performance. Yeah, that's how I use this. I use this as my evening vitamin C fix. I'll use the others on a morning. But this can be your vitamin C if you have a sensitive skin type. It works so well. So, there you have it, guys. A rundown of all the vitamin C's that I've tried sort of over the last 12 to 18 months. I would say that most of these have been successful. I get great results, but I do have a tier of those last four that I've shared. I think are the best of the best. The PSA Skin Mask for that instant glow up, unparalleled. I love that allies the skin for really quick results. Geek and gorgeous, delivering every time at that price point. And that Dr. Sam one is a really nice, well-formulated vitamin C derivative for those of us that have sensitive skin. Hopefully this has given you a little food for thought for your own skincare routine, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you've made it this far, let me know by giving a heart emoji in the comment section so we can see who makes it to the bitter end. Bitter end crew unite. But wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.